Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
It is time for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. All right, time 时间呢，这个事情呢要把握好啊。那很多人呢，可能要准备什么事情啊，就会拖拖拉拉啦。
对呀。
好了，我自己有时候会这样子。
终于知道了。
然后就被人家催，对不对？快一点。好了 ，This is the theme of the whole month, and that is to hurry up. Okay, maybe you're getting ready to go out. Some people may take longer than others, and so let's put you in that scenario. 不过先教大家怎么说，快一点。
脚到位。
脚到位。That means hurry up. Alright, 我刚刚讲嘛，就是会被催，对不对？尤其是要准备出门。我跟你讲，在家里有时候就是很舒服嘛，就会慢慢来那样子。
所以你就故意说再10分钟就好，
永远都是在10分钟，
那就1个钟头过掉了。
Alright, a lot of times, let's say a couple wants to go out, and then they're like, "Hurry up, we gotta go because we're almost late." Okay, 那有可能会碰到这样的状况。我们在10分钟就要出发了。
应该10分钟出发。
应该10分钟出发。出发就是出发，
对，不是处罚哦，是出发。
可是等一下可能要处罚，也有可能。
如果迟到的话。
Okay, 出发 that means to depart, to leave. Okay, we're gonna leave in 10 minutes. 10分钟就是10 minutes 嘛。Okay, 但我还没准备好啊 ，I'm not ready yet.
我还忙准备好呢。
我还忙准备好呢。That was I'm not ready yet. 准备 that means ready, but I'm not yet. Okay. 那当然，另外一个就要催啦。那你动作快一点啦。Okay, hurry up yourself.
给你手脚脚到位。
给你手脚脚到位。Okay.
脚到位。
脚到位。Okay, 脚到位。我们刚刚教过快一点。
快一点。
要动作快一点。动作你问手脚是什么东西？
手脚
哦，手是手
脚了。
脚是脚吗？
对呀。
手脚快一点。I like that. Okay.
就是动作了。
In Hakka, the action of hurrying up is actually your hand and your feet.
手脚。
Okay, that means hand and feet. Please hurry up.
对呀。
很好，很好。All right, let's review these terms right here, like leaving, 出发。出发 and then to prepare, 准备。
准备
and finally to get your hands and feet ready as soon as possible 就是动作要快一点啦。
手脚脚到位。
手脚脚到位 All right 就是脚到位就是我们这一整个月要教大家的一个词咯。That's 快一点
脚到位。
That does it for today's Practical Hakka
什么太讲
男子 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.